Hi, hello friends. I welcome you all back to my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at Bakes.com, and today I'm going to make chicken gravy. The taste of the gravy will be awesome. This is one of the simplest method that I'm going to do. For the starters also, this recipe will be very useful. Just take all the ingredients like this and keep, and you have to put all the ingredients together in a pressure cooker. Give 2 whistles, and then you have to give a tadka using oil and the curry leaves and pepper powder. So for that I'm going to tell you all the ingredients. I have taken half a kg of chicken here. I have made that into small pieces, medium pieces. I have taken chili powder, salt, turmeric powder. 3 big onions I have taken. I have sliced that because I'm going to make gravy. So I want more of gravy in that. I have taken 2 small size of tomatoes here, and for the coloring agent I'm not going to use the food color. I'm going to use Kashmiri red chili powder. I've taken coriander powder here, 1 teaspoon of pepper, curry leaves, a few curry leaves, and a few coriander leaves. This is all the items that we are going to use in the chicken gravy. Let's start the procedure. Now I have kept a pan here. Now let my pan get heated up. Now to this pressure cooker we should not add oil first. We should add the chicken which we have cleaned and kept here. I'm not going to use oil in this. Please note it. I have added the chicken. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients. I'm going to add the onions here which I have kept. 3 big size of onions. Okay. Add the onions. 2 small tomatoes. I'm going to add only 1 tablespoon of chili powder here because I'm going to add the pepper powder also. So we all have to eat. My children don't like too much of spicy. If anyone wants spicy, you can use. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, and another half goes into that. My tablespoon is small, so I'm using 1.5 tablespoon, and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder I'm going to use in this. 2 tablespoon of coriander powder. Heap full of coriander powder I'm going to use in this, and 1 heapful spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder I'm going to use in this. Now to this, and I forgot to tell you in my ingredients, I have not taken the ginger garlic paste. 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste I'm going to add in this, and then you got to add the coriander leaves. Now mix all these ingredients together and give 2 whistles. 2 whistles is enough. Give 2 whistles. Now to this I added 1 more tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. That was not enough for me, so altogether 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder I used in this. So now I'm going to add half a glass of water into this. I'm going to close the pan. Now as you can see this, I have not added oil. I have mixed all the ingredients raw. We are going to make in this style only. Then I'm going to close the pressure cooker right away now, and I will wait for 2 to 3 whistles. That is enough for that. off the flame and we will wait till the pressure goes off from the pressure cooker. Now the pressure has gone. We will remove this. You can see this. Chicken has become soft and we have got the gravy also. Now I will keep a kadai and I will add some oil in that. I have kept a kadai here. The kadai is heated. I'm going to add oil. 3 tablespoons of oil I have added into this, and one more also I can add. 4 tablespoons of oil I added into this. After the oil gets heated up, we will add the curry leaves. In this stage, if we add the curry leaves, it gives a good smell, and when you add the chicken gravy into that, the flavor of the curry leaves will go in the gravy and makes the gravy even more tastier. After this, add the gravy into this. Now let it cook for 5 minutes. After adding the chicken into this, I am keeping this in a high flame. Then I am cooking it for 5 minutes. I have not added any other ingredients. Simple chicken gravy for the freshers, and this gives a very good taste. This gravy especially goes well with idiyappams. Lovely it will be. Now my gravy is ready. Bring the flame to low, dead low. Now you can thicken this gravy. If you thicken this gravy, it will well goes in all the rice items. And if you want to be in this type of gravy, then you can have with dosas, chapatis and idiyappams. At last I am going to cover this up with 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Just mix and leave off. My simple and elegant chicken gravy is ready to be served hot. Top of this, I'll garnish with some coriander leaves. Again, switch off the flame. One of the easiest way I have told you. Please do try it at home. Like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Have a nice day. Bye.